Guys, I'm in the airport now, and I think I just saw some few planes. I saw two A380s, one 777, one 737. I think one's gonna come right now. You can guys see I'm sitting on this pole. Not actually. I just saw an airplane that was like a 787. It looked like a AI-171 because it had the Air India logo. Yeah, really. Oh, Queso's McDonald's. Yeah. Oh, an A350. I think I saw an A350. Yeah, actually I did. I cannot lie. I saw an A350. I swear to God. I saw an A350, bro. And I think that the plane over you see there, I think it's Indigo. But I think you guys cannot see because it's too blurry. Oh, that's an A350 with the bended wings. It's called a winglet. I swear to God, I saw an 787 with Air India logo on it. Oh, when is the plane gonna fly? Oh, guys, see, that's Air India, a 737, not 787. But I think 787 is going taxi on the runway. I think. Dinata. Literally, guys, I can't lie. I found in 787 AI-171. Yeah, actually not AI-171, but it is Air India. Here are people boarding the bus. Yeah, today I had school day, so I skipped school. Not actually. I had to change visa document. Sabiha Gokchan, and I'm going to Al Ahsa. When's one plane gonna fly? Or when's the 787 gonna fly? Muscat. Here's the McDonald's truck. Why is everybody driving on the runway? Oh, that's a 777 that's a 777 with the triple tires. And yeah, I literally need to save battery for, yeah, I'm gonna play games on the plane. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. But now I just saw a 787 AI 171. Now I'm recording that. I'm just waiting for that plane only. Really, guys, I saw it by my eyes. It was a 787. Yeah, I think I saw two A350s. One outside of the airport, and now we're inside the airport. (787) Max 8, Max 9. They have every type. You know, I like the airport bus because look at this. Look at the tire. There's nothing literally under there, so I like that bus. I don't know what's this. Oh, that's the one. That's the one I'm talking about. See, that's a two tire 787. That's the one with Air India. See, that's a 787. Okay, I'm gonna record more planes. See guys, I proved you now. That's a 787. I hope my mom's not waiting. Oh, Emirates catering truck. Dinata travel bus. BMW police. Toyota Hiace, fly Dubai. 417. Bro, can I tell you one thing? The staff lady of the airport said was calling someone with a number. He was calling like 567 and I started to hold my 67 thing, and when I got out of the checking I started to 67. Oh my god, my mom's gonna ask me why does 67. I'll just say it's just a meme from a high school. It's called 67. Lamine Ball YOLO. Let me give you an explore of this airport. Oh my god, a lot of ladies. So this airport is like big and it has a market, like thousands of market. There's 3 floors of this market. Usually airport has 2 floors, and yeah, they have. And this airport has like 3 floors. I'm not lying. I'm not tripping, bro. Actually. And here's a coffee station. All the chips are here, and yeah. Smoking area, which I'll never go in there. Does this kid smoking? What? Now I came back from plane spotting. Wait, I want to spot more planes. When is Rolex? Failure to make your way immediately to the gate may result in being offloaded from this flight. Hello. Why are everybody staring at me? I don't know why. Bro, my foot is literally stuck. Okay. Where's the plane gonna come? I was thinking I'm in Ahmedabad airport. Nah, not that airport. Oh my god, why am I getting dizzy? I'm just kidding. Okay, pretend if my mother punched me. I'd be like Minecraft. Bro died. Oh, look. The 737. Fly Dubai. That's okay, enough plane spotting for now.